Hi, in this video we will discuss about the row level security in Power BI. What is row level security in Power BI that can be used to restrict the data access from given users? Filters restricted data access to a row level. You can define the filters within the roles. In Power BI service, with users with access to a workspace have access to semantic model in that workspace. Row level security only restricts the access for users, only restrict data access for the users with the viewer permissions. If it does not apply to admin members or the contributors. Here we can define that how we can assign the roles and roles and the rules in Power BI desktop. First, you have to open the Power BI desktop file, then move towards the modeling in the top tab. After reaching at the modeling, then you have to click on the manage roles. Please see the image as below. Under the roles, they are providing the name of the role or select or you can select any role to enter it. Select tables to which you want to apply a row level security. Filter your data with the default editor to define your roles that express created return a true or a false. The next one is when you move switch to the DAX editor. Using the DAX editor to define your roles, DAX expressions return a value of true or a false. Here you can see in the image as well below. Next, towards the how you can switch to the default editor, then click on the yes. After clicking the say yes, click on select the save. You can manually enable bidirectional cross filtering with row level security by selecting the relationships and the checking the apply security filter or in both directions in the checkbox. Next is the how you can manage your security on the model. First, you have to go towards the Microsoft Fabric or the Power BI service. Then select the more menu option from a semantic model as you see in the image. The menu appears when you hover on a semantic model name. After hovering or selecting moving towards the settings, then this dialog box will appear. You have to select the security settings. How you can work with the members? First, you have to add the members in first step. You can use the following groups as well in the row level security, like distribution group, mail email enabled group, Microsoft Entra security group. Whatsoever you want to enter, you can enter it in this. Thank you.